said, which I said? Yes, Kutch, Run of Kutch, emergent type of coast. Saline and marshy area is known as Run of Kutch. And then in the Run of Kutch, there is a Pancham Island and Bela Island. Which are the two islands? और वैसे भी एक दिन में कितने बेलाएं होती हैं? 5 बेला. Pancham Island, Bela Island, and then Kutch region. Thereafter, we have been able to see. This is Gulf of Kutch. This is Gulf of Cambay or Khamba, and यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा island है that is known as Pirotan Island. Pirotan Island. Which island I said that? Pirotan Island. Understood? In which? Gulf of Kutch or in Gulf of Cambay? Which? So we can say that it has, tell me, it has Marine National Park. So this region has what? Marine National Park. Understood? Pirotan Island के पास कौन सा पार्क है? Marine National Park. And Kutch region has Kutch Biosphere Reserve. Kutch Biosphere Reserve. KACHCH. Yes, H is this. In alphabet, what is the position of H? H is here. H को ऐसे join कर दो. What it becomes? Can you remember? Yes. So Kutch Biosphere Reserve. Kutch is a national park. It became Biosphere Reserve in 2008. It became Biosphere Reserve in 2008. और I इसको क्या बोलते हैं? I am a boy. So I is at what position? Okay, in your CSAT reasoning it will come. So, what I said that Kutch Biosphere Reserve, and here which national park? In the Pirotan Island? Marine National Park. Completely okay in your mind? So we understood the nearby physiography and all. Understood? Now, in the Kutch region, there is a Narayan lake. Which lake? Which lake I said that? Narayan lake. Which lake I said that? Narayan. Completely okay? In Ahmedabad, 2 lakes are there. Narayan Sarovar lake, and in the Ahmedabad, Nal Sarovar and Kankadiya. Which are the lake I said that? In Kutch region there is what I said that Narayan Sarovar and Nal Sarovar and Kankadiya in Ahmedabad. नहीं, ये नारायण सरोवर इज आई सेड दैट क्या है आपका? सलाइन लेक. नाल सरोवर पहले याद कर ले, हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नारायण सरोवर, नाल सरोवर, कंकड़िया. नारायण सरोवर, नाल सरोवर, कंकड़िया. अंडरस्टूड? नारायण जानते हो? हु इज नारायण? भगवान विष्णु. एंड सडे नाल मीन्स सडे नाल, मतलब 7.5 रहोगे. नाल मीन्स 7. सो नारायण के नाल मीन्स नारायण along with. He will give you means best life or full of hardships. Best life, very good. Luxurious life. God never gives you luxurious life. If he is any friend who is a good friend of yours, he will try to say what the mistake you are making. And then the friend who is trying to say that you are doing well, okay, तो फिर खुश रहो, एक दिन उड़ते उड़ते नीचे गिर जाओगे. So I said that who says mistakes, they are good friend of yours. And then God, when you have to, move up in your life, you should face hardships. The God gives you difficulties. It means God is along with you. Hardships, it means that one more up stair you are going to. When the hardships come, do not take the passes, side passes. Learn it and move one step ahead in your life. So hardships make you to learn in the things and then moving up and up. So that is I said that नारायण के नाल रहोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? कंकड़. क्या मिलेगा? नारायण सरोवर, नाल सरोवर, कंकड़िया. नारायण सरोवर, नाल सरोवर. And Nal Sarovar is in a wetland. Nal Sarovar is in a what? So in Gujarat we have one wetland. Understood? And Odisha we have seen two wetlands. Perhaps you remember? Which wetland we have seen in Odisha? Chilka and Bhittar. Understood? In the Kendrapara. So we have seen about it. Now we are going to see something about Gujarat, and let us see. I said first let us see. पहले हम लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स याद करेंगे और रेनफॉल पैटर्न पहले देख लें. रेनफॉल पैटर्न. Rainfall pattern, and here it is which mountain range? Aravalli. And when the southwest monsoon Arabian branch comes, which branch? And this is, you know that ये कैसा region है? It is in Kathiawar. Small hills are there. Lots of small hills are there. So these hills are obstructing it, लेकिन higher height नहीं है. So therefore how much rainfall? 50 to 60 centimeter rainfall. 50 to 60 centimeter rainfall. Now Kutch region has only small hills, only one. So there is no obstruction, there is less obstruction, and keep on moving straight, and it will be, I said that 10 to 20 centimeter rainfall. How much I said that? 10 to, can you remember in your mind? So Kathiawar or Saurashtra region is how much receiving rainfall? 52, and in Kutch region? Understood? And further, Aravalli range, I said that nearby Delhi it is 200. By reaching down, it becomes 1700. So Aravalli range is what? Higher in the south. And here it is obstruct, and it is causing 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall. How much? How much rainfall? Tell me first. 52. Understood? Why? Who is obstructing? Southern part of Aravalli. Southern part of